Claude Mythos is AGI. OpenAI, Grok, all these other AI, Google even, they cannot build that. It's over. People keep saying, oh, Google's gonna dominate Google. Sure, all their data. Yeah, sure. Nobody can build a Claude Mythos. Right now, let me explain to you guys, because you guys aren't really getting it. In the AI space, think of it as it's the year 1985 in the NBA. Everybody, there's some good players. Dr. J, Magic Johnson, Larry Bird. But the whole league is smoking cigarettes at halftime bullshitting. There's a young dude by the name of Michael Jordan about to get drafted. Clear-cut separator, right? Grok, Elon Musk company, OpenAI, and Google, they don't know how to build a Claude Mythos. The mainstream news media is trying to label Anthropic as like this woke piece of shit company. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about, because Anthropic is by far the best at what they do. There is no company that's as good as them at what they do. Right now, if you're Anthropic, this is their Steve Jobs iPhone moment. They know this is their separator. This is how they separate themselves from the entire competition. This release, they've already done it perfectly. They've planted the fear in our heads. We all think this thing is God. This is like, everybody thinks Claude Mythos is like the Temu version of God. Okay, so we're all scared. They did that. Their marketing is on point. So far, everything is on point. They need to nail this perfectly. This is their separation moment.